Gifford, Illinois. It is really hot today. We're on our way to the Gifford Community Celebration Car Show. This will be Rocky's first show since his 2016 restoration. Here's some photographs I took. Rocky anchored the end of this row on this side of the street quite nicely. His paint is gleaming in the sun, as you might expect. I think he really stood out. His bright yellow color. Here's another shot from the front. I think you can see him in the top left here in this shot. It was, as I said, really hot, and after a while your face started to feel like it was actually cooking, so we decided to call it a day fairly quickly.
1 hour later.
Fortunately, Rocky's got the coldest AC on the planet, so I cranked that up.